Hi students, I hope you all fine at your home. Students of 9th standard, I want to remind you, in last session we were get learning of chapter number 10 Dwarikasya Sevanishta, means faithfulness of the doorkeeper. Students, on page number 38, whatever we learned, let's little bit we have to revise, and then we have to go ahead on page number 39. See here, revised topics I have written according to question answer. In short, we will get its intro, page number 38. Okay, see, ekada dwarikah residence pathway ichha activities we learned in last sessions. Okay, what did doorkeeper see? Students, once a doorkeeper, one who was standing at the main door, at that time he saw one great saint arrived at the door. What did the saint tell? Saint arrived at that place and said, "Why are you avoiding saint like us to go inside?" Okay, I am saying so, that's why I forgive to you. But from today we will not stop like saint, then scholar, and then celebrates children, women to go inside. That's concept told by saint. Who can meet to the king? Students, we learned in last session that only familiar and someone person can meet to the king and able to meet to the king at night time. Okay. Is doorkeeper passed the first exam? Yes. Doorkeeper passed the first exam is taken from great King Shivaji. Till this concept we learned in last session, students. Now today we have to go ahead. Page number 39 we have to see. Let's first of all I want to read whatever given on page number 39. Okay. See. Dwarikah Uvacha. In bracket Upashitya Kathayatu Bhavan Sannyasi Uvacha. त्वं तु द्वारिकासि कदापि धनिका न भविष्यति वनेषु कन्दरासु च वयं विचरामः सर्वरसायनं तत्त्वं जानीमः। द्वारिका उवाच भवतु नाम अग्रे सन्यासी यदि मम प्रवेशं त्वं न अवरोधयसि तर्हि अहं तुभ्यं यथेष्टं रसायनं दास्यामि तेन 50 तुला परिमितं 50 तुला परिमितं ताम्रं सुवर्णं भविष्यति। ओके, द्वारिका उवाच कपटी विश्वासघातम् उपदिशति न वयं तादृशः कथं कः त्वं कुतः आगच्छसि अहं त्वां कस्यचित् गुप्तचरं मन्ये दुर्गा अध्यक्षं निवेदय त्वां दण्डिष्यामि सः त्वां विज्ञार्थं यथोचितं करिष्यति। सन्यासी परित्यज्य ना अहं पुनः आगमिष्यामि नैवं पुनः कथयिष्यामि। इन ब्रैकेट द्वारिकः तत् विगण्य त्वं हस्तेन गृहीत्वा नयति। ओके, हस्तेन मीन्स टेकिंग हैंड। सन्यासी प्रबल प्रकाश दीपस्य समीपे प्रबल प्रकाश समीपे द्वारिक अपि जानासि मां द्वारिका उवाच निपुणं निरीक्ष्य अये आर्य खलु भवान् आर्य सन्तु अहर्ति मां। सन्यासी तस्य पृष्ठे हस्तं विनश्य हियर। ओके, द्वारिका मया ते परीक्षा कृता त्वं योग्यस्थाने नियुक्त असि उत्कोचाय अलोकपात् द्वादशः प्रभूनां पुरस्कारं भाजनं भवति अहं तव प्रमाणिकतां प्रभु सन्निधौ कथयिष्यामि कुत्र वर्तते श्रीमान किम अनुदृष्टते सम्प्रति सह। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टिल दिस टुडे वी विल सी। लेट्स आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रांसलेट यू सी इन योर बुक। ओके, सी द्वारिका उवाच उपश्रुत्य कथयतु भवान्। इन लास्ट सेशन वी लर्नड that sannyasi calling to the doorkeeper and say I want to say something, then another further activity what happens, say Dwarika Uvacha Upashitya that means going near Kathayatu Bhavan means let's what you want to tell me. सन्यासी उवाच त्वं तु द्वारिकः मीन्स यू आर डोर कीपर कदापि धनिकः न भविष्यति मीन्स नेवर यू विल बी अ रिच वन वनेषु कंदरासु च वयं विश्रामः वनेषु मीन्स इन द फॉरेस्ट कंदरासु मीन्स डेंस फॉरेस्ट च वयं विश्रामः मीन्स इन डेंस फॉरेस्ट वैली व्हाटएवर विश्रामः मीन्स वी वंडर्ड so here the concept is like this we wandered in valley in dense forest here and there सर्व रसायन तत्वं जानामि means we know all types of elements because we wander in the forest again repeat सन्यासी त्वं तु द्वारिकासि you are doorkeeper कदापि धनिकः न भविष्यति you never be a rich one वनेषु कंदरासु च वयं विश्रामः means we wandered in the dense forest and in the valleys सर्व रसायन तत्वं जानीमः means we know all types of elements द्वारिक भवतु नाम इट्स ओके अग्रे अग्रे मीन्स लेट्स स्पीक अगेन फर्दर सन्यासी यदि मम प्रवेशं त्वं न अवरोधयसि मीन्स इफ यू विल नॉट अवॉइड टू मी गो इनसाइड तर्हि देन तुभ्यं मीन्स टू यू यथेष्ट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विश रसायनं दास्यामि मीन्स आई विल गिव एलिमेंट्स सो द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज if you will not allow if you will not stop me to go inside then according to your wish I will give elements and then 50 तुला परिमितम ताम्र 10 means because of this element 50 तुला means 50 तोला ताम्र means copper सुवर्णम भविष्यति will turn into gold so here telling that most important question for exam this element can turn 50 तोला कॉपर into gold द्वारी आ कपटिंग विश्वासघातम उपदिशति means o cheater you are giving the advice to break the trust न वयं तादृशः we are not like that कथं कहतो means let tell me who are you कुतः गच्छसि means from where you are coming here अहं त्वां कस्यचित् गुप्तचरं मन्ये means I believe you that you are the spy of someone. Durga Atyaksh Nivedya Tvam Dandishyami means I will tell to my Lord and he will punish to you. Sah Tvam Vignai Yato Chittam Karishati means whatever he want he will give punishment to you. Sannyasa Parityajya means let save my life. Naham punah agamishyami means I will not come again here. Naivam punah katishyami I will not say again in bracket. Dwarika tat viganya tvam hastena gృహీతామి. Dwarika tat viganya means avoiding everything. Hastena gృహీత్వా nayati means taking his hand and went away. Bracket completed. Sannyasi in bracket प्रबल प्रकाश दीपस्य समीपे means near a very high light near a very bold light near a very heavy light द्वारिक अपि जानासि मां means doorkeeper do you know me द्वारिक bracket निपुणं निरीक्षण निपुणं means observing properly bracket completed अहे आर्य खलु भगवान means oh respected one you are आर्य संतो अहतिमा oh respected one let's forgive me means मुझे माफ करो सन्यास in bracket तस्य पृष्ठे हस्तं विनश्य means he put his hand on his shoulder bracket completed द्वारिक मया तु परीक्षा कृता means oh doorkeeper I have done one exam of you त्वं योग्य स्थाने नियुक्त अस्ति means you are appointed here at proper place okay उद्कोचाय अललुपा means whatever I want to say about you त्वादि प्रभुना पुरस्कार को भाजन भवति means about whatever I today see that's report I will say to our Lord and I will say that he will give to you aham tav pramanikta prabhu sanityo katheishi means I will tell to our Lord about your honesty okay kutra vartate Sriman see at last doorkeeper is telling that because he never seen his king before So he is telling that Katham Vartane Sriman, where is our Lord? Kim Anushtitam Sampati Saha, means where he is living. Means first he is telling that where is our Lord, and after that he is telling that where he is living. And that's concept today we learn students in 10 number. And now last time I am doing it's a translate. You have to see in your book only English I am doing students see. Doorkeeper, going near. Let what you want to say? Saint, you are doorkeeper. You never be a rich one. See, we wandered in different types of dense forest and also in valleys. Sarva Rasayana Jnana means, so that's why we know all types of elements. Dwari means doorkeeper. It's okay. Agree means let's speak further. Sannyasi, if you will not avoid me to go inside, then according to your wish I will give elements to you, and by this you will turn 50 tola gold from the copper, or this way also we can write, you can turn 50 tola copper into gold. Dwarik means doorkeeper. Oh cheater, you advise to cheat, to advise, or this way also we can write, oh cheater, you are giving the advice to break the trust. Question. Now I am Tadrusa, next line I am going. Listen, we are not like that. Tell me, who are you? From where are you coming? I believe that you are the spy of someone. I will tell to my Lord, and according to his wish, he will give punishment to you. Sannyasi, doorkeeper, I am trying to see. Parityaja, that's right. Oh, let me forgive, or let me, okay, leave me. Naham punah, that's right. Okay, I will not come here again. I will not say this again, in bracket, doorkeeper. After avoiding everything, he is taking his hand in his hand, or scratching his hand in his hand. Doorkeeper, saint in the bracket, in very high light, or near very high light. Doorkeeper, do you know me? Doorkeeper, in bracket, observing properly. Oh, respected one, you are? Oh, respected one, let me forgive, or forgive me. Saint, putting his hand behind on his shoulder. Oh, doorkeeper, I have taken your exam. You are appointed at proper place. Whatever you did, I will say to our Lord, and I will also say that he will give gift to you or prize to you, and also I will say about honesty of you to our Lord. After that, doorkeeper is saying that where is our Lord and where he is living. Then students see here doorkeeper have no idea about his Lord, and here also he don't know where his Lord means owner is living, and without any identity he is doing his duty properly. So the moral here we have to take that whatever duty we have to follow, it's our duty, that's what we have to follow properly. Okay, never think what result will come, but we have to follow our duty whatever given to us. Okay, so on any place if we appointed, that's duty we have to properly have to do. Okay students, now according to what this page number 39, we have to solve some question answer here. Okay, as device. See what did saint offer here on page number 38. Saint said to the doorkeeper, that's for doorkeeper, you never be rich one, and listen and see, we wander in different types of forest and valley, so that's why we know all types of elements. Okay, so I will give lots of element to you if you will allow me to go inside, and because of that you can change whatever you want. How much element saint want to go? Saint want to go what happen. Okay, want to give years plus. So for that, want to give. Okay, how much element? Okay, how much element same want to give? Here, a same want to give element according to Bishop doorkeeper. And we think what happen with this? A 50 tola copper will turn into gold. Okay, at last what means saying here? At last saying tell that, oh dear doorkeeper, you are appointed at proper place, so that's why, and already you did your duty properly, so you deserve gift and prize from our Lord. So I will say about your honesty to our Lord, and I will also say that he will give gift prize to you. Okay, students, this is the concept that's been done on page number 39. I hope you understood it very well, and let's do the exercise at your home, and take care.